Like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, Pro Drum Tech and drummer Kelly SHU is coming to you fresh back from Namm with some product review videos of products that I found were absolutely killer or absolutely useful and effective and do exactly what they're going to say they're going to do. Like this Kickblock here, which actually found me twice today in the studio. While setting up, I tripped over it twice, it didn't budge a bit. And I thought to myself, man, imagine how well that's going to hold a kick drum. Something simple like this where you just drop it up to the shell, pop it on, bam, it's in place, and it ain't going anywhere. And y'all, I was wearing steel toes. Trust me, it ain't going anywhere. So now that it's back in place so I didn't trip on it again, let's see how it does with a kick drum slapping on it. Come on. All right, everyone. So let's give this Kickblock a kick. All right, y'all, that kick drum didn't move a bit, man. Kickblock feels solid as a rock. It's holding solid, so if you need something to keep your bass drum from creeping, or you just want to have it in your stick bag, your hardware bag, or your workbox in case you encounter that bass drum creep, I can highly recommend it for carpets that'll handle the velcro, man. It is awesome, y'all. Kickblock, solid as a rock. Stick around for more product videos on YouTube, Kelly SHU, and thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.